Hey y'all, hi, I've been absent. We having chicken tacos tonight. I just use grapeseed oil. I don't use butter to cook no more. I use Creole seasoning, slap your mama, and a little bit of lemon, butter, garlic, whatever the hell that is. I don't like my stuff to taste too salty because I used to make my food salty. But yeah, so. This is the finished result. My lettuce is really thin, but this is how you make a lettuce wrap. Let's try it. Okay. That's real good. You want some?
I want that one.
It's real good.
That one.
Eat it. Yep. That's what your mama's would have needed. Now I'm about to make some more, my dude. Okay, I'm gonna get you some more. This is I think it's cucumber. I can't remember what the hell it is. My mother made it for me, but it's good. I'm about to drink it with my meal. Yep, that's what I'm having for today.